Hello everyone, Shruti Mishra here from TCET Shastra. Today I will be making editorial on importance of percentage or module. Let's see what the problem is. Vinod and Sanjita were performing certain mathematical operation on string S. Vinod gives Sanjita two strings S1 and S2 and asks to find the sum of string. Help Sanchit. Rules of it. A is equivalent to 0, B is equivalent to 1 and so on. And only small alphabets are considered here from A to Z. So let's see what it is. So here are the sample input and output. Let me copy it for you guys. So let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so I hope it is visible. Let me get the pencil here. Okay, so what's the sample input? 1 is the number of test cases. This is S1, this is S2. That is two strings. And result of both these strings is this. Now let's see how it comes. First, let me explain this. A to Z, it is equivalent from 0 to 25. And this alphabets are small letters. Here I have written big, but it is small alphabets, right? So let's go to the problem. Let me explain it here also so that it would be clear for you guys. Here are the header files that would be using. Okay, so let's see. We are taking the test cases from the user. Then we are iterating over the test cases. We will take two strings, right? Then we will have a empty string, that is result string, for having the result or storing the result in it. Now this for loop. I would be explaining this for loop very slowly so that you guys can know it because it is a little tricky. It goes from I is equal to 0 to the size of the strings, right? Result here a of I plus b of I minus a, right? Let me do it. Let me do it so that it becomes easy for you guys. Okay. A of I, B of I. Let me explain it here. What is A of I, B of I to you guys? Now let's see. So let me show you the first test case, right? First we will take this B and X from string A and string B, right? We will go one by one as in for loop, right? In result, A of I minus A. Here both value will be ASCII value, right? A of I minus A. First I will take this thing, right? Slowly I will explain what it is. Now, A of I is B. B is 98, right guys? The ASCII value. And A's ASCII value is 97. So the result is 1, right? 1. And 1 is equivalent to what? B over here. So B is the answer. Then we will go to this part. B of I minus A. Then in string B, X. X is 23, right? Now ASCII value of X is 120. 120 minus 97. The ASCII value of A, right? Answer is 23. That is equivalent to your X, right? Then further, right? 24 module 26. Okay, you get your answer, right? Now 24. We got 24 is y over here, but it is only reference. Like 24 is reference to y. We want the value or the exact y. So how can we do that? we will add a sky value of a to it. And here, this 24, 97, we get a y, right? We will store it in result. Okay. Then next, we have done this b and x. We will move to this b and y, right? B and y. Same process will be continued. We will take from here, we will take from here, minus the value of a, that is the sky value, we will get 1 and 24 respectively. Then yes, we will go further. We will module it, and after modulating it, we get 25, right? And 25. 25. So what is 25? Z, then plus 97, that is 122. So we got Z over here. Then we will store in result. Now we have is Y and Z after two iteration of for loop, right? Then the last and the final one. This B and Y is also done. Now B and Z. Same, we will get a sky value of B, a sky value of Z. We will minus it from 97, that is the sky value of A. We will get 1 and 25. Adding 1 and 25, we get 26. But as we can see, it is starting from 0 and ending to 25. So there is no 26, right? So how can we get that? So 26 module 26 remainder is 0. So 0 plus 97 is 97. That is a sky value of A. So our final answer is A. And now result has YZA as it should have. You can see here. So this is done. Let's see the code here. Same thing is going on here. We have this mathematical formula that I showed you there, and it is used for the entire program. Let me paste the program here for you guys. Okay guys, so it is accepted. I hope you guys have got the problem correctly. If not, please comment down your problem or doubt in the comment box below. I would be happy to solve your doubts. Thank you so much.